Hi, I'm Mr. Levitt. Hi, I'm Coach Bump.
Hi, I'm Miss Casanova.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Metzger.
Hi, I'm Miss Kunst.
And today we're doing the Chem-is-try Lab.
Hello. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration for you. We have our Erlenmeyer flask, our stir plate, and if you zoom in, there's a magnetic stir rod in there that's going to help us so we don't actually have to physically stir it. Hi, so we're going to add milk of magnesia. Okay, we're good. Swim
I work out sometimes, like once a year. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of this. Not much. All right, let's see how that works.
Let it mix up.
Let it mix. Let it mix. All right, we're gonna turn up that spin. Gonna add a little bit of universal indicator. Got it nice and forest green. Little bit of purple. See that purple? Go Tigers, LSU, anyone?
All right, and now that that's mixed up, we're going to add some vinegar. I'm going to shift over to the side in case I run out. So, because Coach Baum has been kind enough to prep my vinegar bottles for me.
We're prepared.
Teamwork makes the dream work, people. Okay, this spray bottle is terrible, so I'm just going to switch to the pour version because pouring is quicker. Make sure you commit to the pour.
All right. Ooh, look at that color change. I'm getting some yellow going on. Now we're talking. A little more yellow.
We paused the video to give us some more time to stir. We're also going to add some more indicator solution. So here we go. As you can notice, it's starting to have like a reddish hint to it. We'll add a little bit more as Coach Baum turns up the stirring.
Oh, it's getting serious now.
So we have a nice, kind of a dark orange. We'll add one more. We'll add a little bit more here. There we go. We'll let that stir.
We see we're kind of reaching the red end of the spectrum. So if we add some milk and magnesia once again, let's see what will happen. Gotta get rid of this UT color.
Starting to get darker. Oh, I saw a little hint of green like we had earlier on.
See, darker.
Okay, so an explanation for this experiment. Well, as you can tell, we had vinegar and the ingredient milk of magnesia. And we also had universal indicator. Whenever we added the milk of magnesia, this is a base. Upon adding the universal indicator, we could actually see that it was a base by its color, purple. As we added the vinegar, it started to change that color to a red tinge. That is showing that it was an acid. So bases being on the blue end of the spectrum and acids being on the red end.
Okay, so for our next demonstration, we have a graduated cylinder. This is what you can use to measure volume. So today we have some copper chloride. You can see that it's a blue liquid. And we're going to measure out 25 milliliters. So milliliters is the unit that we're measuring here. Okay, so now we have a funnel to make this a little bit easier to pour. Otherwise, I probably would have made a really big mess. So now we can pour 25 milliliters, and then we're going to transfer that to our beaker.
All right, now that we have the copper chloride solution, we're going to add some aluminum foil. So I'm just going to crumple it up and drop it in. Now I want you to pay attention to what happens to this aluminum foil as it sits there for a little while.
Now, can you see on the front side there what's starting to happen? Because I can see it back here really well.
So there's some little darker spots on the aluminum foil at the front, if you look. There's also a couple bubbles coming up. All right, so those darker pieces, those are actually copper going onto the foil and replacing the aluminum. So now you can see that there is a lot more copper that has come out of solution, which means that a lot of the aluminum has dissolved into the liquid portion. So all of this reddish brown stuff, that's all copper that came out of the blue solution.